Electronics, I'm telling you, have been a nightmare this trip. They won't charge unless we stand here and hold it like this.
Fun times.
Yeah.
We don't need that. Well, Eric, just paddle.
Yeah. Was hang him over the front and have him turn his leg one way or the other to steer it.
Are you a little happier?
Yeah, I like to fish and catch. I don't like to just drive around the lake. This isn't a pleasure cruise, this is a fishing boat. All right, well, it's been a rough couple of days. Troubles with electronics, just about all kinds of stuff. The campsites we wanted were all full in the middle of the week. So, you know, lots of stuff going on, trolling motor issues, camera issues. My phone just stopped working. And we're having trouble catching fish. So, you know what that means, guys. If you've been watching this channel, it's sausage time. Pour them out for the fish gods. Come on, baby. Do we need some help? Spent a lot of money coming on this camping trip. Got my son here. Don't let me down, guys. Yeah, I'm telling you, calms the angry fishing beast. Delicious. It's got to be up from here. We've caught fish, but not what we were here to do. We're here to slay fish, not just catch a few dinks. Oh, with some luck here from the sausage, maybe things will turn around. Ooh, thought I heard something. I have faith in the sausage. Real life fishing pup is begging. Real life fishing pup wants the sausage, don't you? Oh yeah. Can be used all kinds of stuff. For luck, for dog snacks, for fish bait. Not only that, it's a great little weight holder. Put your weights in there, lures in there, ashtray if you're a smoker. on, guys. I mean, the possibilities are endless. Gosh, why wouldn't you have these on your boat? Man, like I say, you don't catch fish if you don't have Vienna sausage. At least not like I catch fish. High five. Yeah. Yo. Anytime now. Anytime now.
That's snag or fish, brother.
That's what we were after with this. That's a big Mackinaw. Dude. Yeah! Holy moly! Yeah! Hell yeah! Woo! Woo! Wow! Man, that is a monster fish. Woo! Holy moly! Holy Mackinaw! Oh, goodness. Whoa, my God, I'm pumped. Oh, my gosh, he freaking ate that thing.
I bet he's tired after that too.
Woo, that made the whole trip worth it right there, boys. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. On a kokanee rod.
That
It's
is
like a 12-pound test. Oh,
that's awesome.
oh, I'm pumped. I can't even feel my arms right now. Oh, that's like a salmon-sized freaking fish, dude. Wow, I'm stoked about that.
Jay, tell me a story about that time you caught that giant freaking Roni.
It was not a story, and it happened today. Just now. We caught the biggest Mackinaw I've ever caught. I've always caught like little 16, 18, 20 inch. This thing, I didn't measure it, but it was 12 pounds. It was sizable, the size of a salmon. Nice salmon.
When I saw that thing coming in, like, I couldn't believe it.
Never seen anything caught that big out of a lake myself personally.
A lake this size, I think.
Granted, I'm not a huge lake fisherman, more of a river delta bay guy, but golly.
You were the real life fisherman.
Real life fisherman, I fish for everything, but lakes are my least fished bodies of water, I would say.
Man, I feel like the level of the water in the lake just went down a little bit.
They might have. That thing was keeping this lake probably, maybe a quarter of an inch higher.
Woo, Eric, how you feel, man?
I don't know. I was kind of scared when I saw how big it was. I was netting it. I was like, if this thing gets away, dude, it is all my fault.
You did it, though.
I got it. I just swooped in underneath and lifted up real quick. That was
It
perfect.
was perfect. Good job, guys.
Couldn't have gone any better.
It was meant to be.
Yeah.
Good job, buddy.
What do you say, buddy?
You
High
say-
five? You know high five? Yeah, high five. You shake a paw at least? Oh, it's like that? What? I shake your paw? No?
He's over it. He's
like
over
you
it.
guys. I've had enough of you guys.
How far can you go?
Don't know.
Oh yeah, they're sharp.
Oh, yeah, they are.
That's pretty good.
Try it, Jay.
That's a nice fatty piece right there. That's fat and some meat. Oh yeah, delicious. Smoky. Oh, that's hot.
Oh, dude.
Yeah. I just took it off the fire.
Bam. We like kings camping in the dirt.
There we go. Yep. I was waiting.
Asking for the other two.
Don't feel good.
All right, well, it's day 3 and we're packed up and heading back home. Did pretty good. Got a massive Mackinaw, my biggest fish I've ever caught in a lake. Quite a few kokanee that we ate every night at the campsite, taking a few home. And, you know, share of rainbow trout. Threw some back and probably kept just a few, hit and miss. Lots of strikes, a lot of fish on, a lot of them got off. Just seems to be the way it is with kokanee and small little rainbow trout. They just get off somewhere between hookup and the boat. But a lot of action. We had a lot of technical difficulties. We had our electronics between batteries and chargers and the iPilot, my Altera remote wouldn't charge. I think the cable went bad, so I was just having to steer the boat from the steering wheel most of the time, or somebody was. So we were trading back and forth between doing that. So we were, you know, dealing with everything. My phone just absolutely shut off and won't turn back on. Not that there's reception up here anyway. If you do come up to Bucks Lake, you are unplugging. There are no reception up here. Every once in a while a message may get through, but you're not going to be able to respond to it. So it's good and bad. Just be prepared. Bring your kids. It'll be interesting to watch them squirm. It's a beautiful lake. It's not really huge. It's, you know, about 5,200 feet, I believe, the elevation. And there's every kind of trout species in here, as far as brooks, browns, rainbows. There's kokanee and Mackinaw. So come up here and try to target a different species every day. See what you do. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed these videos.